Hello guys, this is Omar with a new video, and today I'll be working on my personal car. This is my 2007 Lexus ES350. This is actually my daily driver. It's a nice and clean car, but it got some miles, so the previous owner replaced the CV axles and they installed aftermarket parts. And this is the CV axle I'll be installing. This is an original part. And let me show you the aftermarket axle. That is the CV axle. It has nothing wrong with it, but I have the OEM, so I'll install the OEM. And to remove it, I'll be removing the axle nut here in the front, and also one of the bolts of the sway bar link at the top. And over here under the lower control arm, 2 nuts and 1 bolt. So the axle is out right now. We just have to pop it out from the transmission. Sometimes that can also be tricky. And try to hit it with a pry bar from behind. If that works. I think that it's not going to work. So the axle is out right now. We just have to pop it out from the transmission. Sometimes that can also be tricky. Right here I tried to remove the CV axle from the transmission using a pry bar and a hammer, but the CV axle is stuck in the transmission, so I'll have to use a special tool in order to remove it. Since the CV axle is stuck in the transmission, I'll have to use this tool to remove the axle, and I'll show you how to set it up right now. Since I'll be using the special tool, I have to remove the caliper and also the bracket and the rotor to make a space for the special tool hammer. So this is how we're gonna set up the tool. Put it right here in the back. And then the other piece, which is the hammer, an idle right here. So we're gonna just do this and try to pop off the axle. So it took some persuasion to come out, but finally it's out. This can get very stuck in there. See how I hammer it over here? But it came out. And this is the one I'm going to install. I think the OEM looks overall much better. I'm gonna install this one right now. Okay, right there is already installed. Let me show you. It's in there. And underneath, you can see that it's already installed, much easier to install. So right now I'm just gonna put everything back together. I'll be torquing this caliper bracket to 65 foot-pounds. after this, we're gonna install the caliper bracket. Not caliper bracket, the actual caliper. Right here. $14mm bolts. And these go only torque to 25 foot-pounds. Let's get this harness in place. Right here. This right there. Now put it straight bar and link back. So this is what it looks like with the new axle installed and everything put back together. That is the axle right there. Put the straight bar link bolt back on, the caliper bracket, the lower bolt joint. So what else we need to be done is just to put the tire back and call it a day. And the tires only go 80 foot-pounds. I'm using a torque stick. This will complete today's video, guys. If you like this content, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.